In the tender moments of nurturing lies the purest essence of love. Today, we invite you to embark on a journey of creation, a journey that whispers secrets of care and devotion. Welcome to the art of crafting your own baby food and snacks. As a parent, there's an innate desire to provide the very best for our little ones. With each spoonful, we infuse not just nutrients, but also love, into their delicate beings. Imagine the joy of witnessing those tiny lips tasting the vibrant flavors of nature, carefully curated by your hands. It's a symphony of sensations, a dance of discovery. And what about snacks? The delightful treats that spark giggles and smiles. With a sprinkle of creativity, ordinary snacks transform into whimsical wonders, beckoning little ones into a world of culinary enchantment. Oh, the joy of those chubby fingers grasping for a taste of happiness. It's not just food, it's a manifestation of your unwavering affection, wrapped in every bite. In the tender act of nourishing, we forge bonds that transcend time. With each spoonful shared, a connection deepens, a memory etches itself into the tapestry of our hearts. So, dear parent, embrace the beauty of creation. Let your kitchen be a sanctuary of love, where every meal is crafted with devotion, and every bite tells a story of affection. For in the journey of making your own baby food and snacks, lies the most precious gift of all, the gift of love.